Hey y'all, I'm bringing you something just a little bit different today. Um, I try to teach you all about being prepared. And one of the most important things about being prepared is being healthy. So I'm going to bring you something a little bit different today that is something that could improve your health. And that is the benefits of getting some sunshine. Like from sunrise and then late morning and then the afternoon and sunset. And I want to give you a few things that it's been proven medically that that can help you with. Sunrise is a circadian rhythm alignment. And if you don't know what the circadian rhythm is, that is your internal clock that helps you to fall asleep at night. So if you're having trouble sleeping at night, get out early morning and get a little bit of sunshine. And then again in the evening, get a little sunshine, and that can help you to get a better night of sleep. And another part of that is sunrise also helps with the production of melatonin, which is another hormone that helps you with your sleep rhythms. And then sunrise is a great anti-inflammatory analgesic. Get out and get some sunshine. You may not need that ibuprofen as much anymore. And then it improves mitochondrial function, reduces blood clotting. It gives you a dopamine boost. Dopamine, that's how happy are you? If you're depressed, get out and get some sunshine. Cortisol awakening, that's the CAR you may have heard. Cortisol awakening response, another thing that helps with you getting the right amount of sleep. Then when you get on up into the late morning, mid to late morning, it improves nitric oxide, mood boost, serotonin, dopamine, regulates your appetite. Think about that, what that might do. Thyroid hormone production, cortisol production, B endorphins production. There again, that mood elevator, better focus, fat burning. Again, melatonin, the T regulatory cell activation, increased skin, melanin, get that right in a minute, increased skin melanin production. Of course, some of that's what is going to give you that golden suntan in the morning, because when you're out in the UAV that's the ultraviolet A is what happens in the mid-morning. And a lot of people know that when they get out and they get a suntan, they go out early morning, and you get a tan faster, but it also damages your skin faster. So you have to be careful with that. Then in the afternoon is when it gives you that boost of vitamin D, immune support, bone health, improves your calcium absorption, anti-inflammatory again, it's an analgesic, so you can get rid of that ibuprofen and Aleve and all that kind of stuff. Appetite regulation, melanin production, the B endorphin support, supports testosterone production, leptin sensitivity, weight loss, appetite regulation. It helps make you feel satisfied with your food. It's an antiviral. Think about that. During the pandemic, and they told us they didn't want us outside, and getting out in the sun could have helped with that. It's an antifungal, antibacterial, and then sunset. If you go out and get a little bit of sun, late, before, right as the sun's going down. It can help with the circadian rhythm again. I can't read my writing there. Cortisol regulation, increased cellular water, melatonin production, cellular repair rejuvenation. That's where your skin cells, your body cells are going to be rejuvenating, repairing themselves. And then improves mitochondrial function. So to sum this all up for you, the benefits of the sun are going to give you higher energy, better vitamin D absorption, better muscle function, stronger bones, healthier immune system, improves symptoms of seasonal depression. I bet it would improve symptoms of regular depression too. Improves cognitive function, makes your brain work better. It will improve your mood and improve your sleep. So get outside and get a little bit of sun. Go work in the garden for a little while. 10 to 30 minutes outside, that's not that much every day. Take a walk and, get a few steps in whenever the sun's shining. And you'll not only improve all of these things, but walking has been proven it's been proven time and again that walking will improve your heart health, your lung health. So those two things are, that's a no-brainer. Let's walk and get some sunshine. Till the next time, God bless you.